So here behind me, I have a Lamborghini Performante. One of my good friends brought us this car. We're gonna be doing an exhaust on it from Ryft. That thing's gonna look insane, man. Titanium, full titanium exhaust. One of the best brands out there for the full titanium exhaust. This car is so vastly different from a regular Huracan. This is, of course, the Performante version. It's the race version of this vehicle. Weighs less, looks way more aggressive. It's got the Italian flag stripes on the side. Man, this thing, I'm in love. Alright guys, so I'm gonna hop in real quick and show you what this exhaust sounds like before, and of course we'll show you what it sounds like after we're done with the Ryft exhaust.
Exhaust is full titanium. I'm not gonna touch it right now, so we leave fingerprints on it. Here's a little sneak peek. They wildin', bro. Look, like I said, I post this shit right here. Motherfucker puts me on rush hour with a bunch of fucking goddamn prostitutes. I like that though. Hey guys, what's up? So right now we're doing some sound testing on all the pipes are on, all the brakes back on. Pretty much the only thing we need to do is put the tips and the bumper back on. Right now we put everything back together, intakes back on, everything's pretty much in place. We're gonna go ahead and turn it on, do a couple sound clips and make sure there's no rattling, make sure there's nothing hitting each other, make sure everything's all good. So we're ready to turn it on.
So Victor just showed up, picking up his Huracan Performante. What do you think, bro?
Yo, I love it.
Yeah.
Dude, good work. This shit's bad.
Yeah, man. It looks crazy. It looks crazy.
No, I love it.
Yeah, man. That titanium blue, you can see it directly through the grills. Pop it out, man. Pop it out. That's it. Get doing it all at once, man.
What's up, man?
Hey, it's very clean car. It's not fucking weird.
Appreciate it, dude. Appreciate it, man. No, thank you guys. You guys did a good job. Appreciate it.
Fucking loud.
I love it, yeah?
enjoy it. There are copyright songs. So
Yeah, come on, man.
Take care, man.
There will pull
And
me
then
over.
guess what?
They hate us.
What's your name?
Victor,
And what'd you come to SSR for?
get a exhaust install.
For?
Huracan Performante.
Are you happy how your car sounds?
Oh, I love it, man. Anybody that needs any sort of installs, mods, come to SSR. They do a good job.
Show us how it sounds. You
See
love
that
it?
smile? You see that? I'm happy.
All right, man. Take care.
All right, dude. Take care.
See ya.